Hello, today I will teach you how to make your very own Bob story game, and I'll teach you a few hints. So first we start off with a little Bob here. Bob, he's there. Let's see. When green flag clicked, we're going to have him do a little custom. Let's make this one. Oh no, I moved his head. Let's make this one like he's looking down. Now, when the green flag gets clicked, it'll do this and not this. So boom. Alright. Now if you want him to say something, here's what you do. Say, let's do hello. Let's say we wanted a username in there. I'll teach you how to do that in one paragraph. Join Apple and Banana. So this text you can copy, put that in there like that. Hello. Hello, Banana. That's what it says. Now, if we wanted it to say something that it wouldn't normally be able to say, so like a character, a person's username, then we could put that in there. Hello, Zfruit. There, it said it. So what? So that's only how you join sentences. You can do this multiple times. So if I wanted him to say, hello, username, I have been expecting you, he'll say that. Hello, Zfruit, I have been expecting you. Now, I'd recommend doing this for 3 seconds, and boom. Hello, Zfruit, I have been expecting you. Let's put that up to one more. Alright, so we've got that. It works. What if I wanted him to change to this? Just like that. He changed his costume. Now, for the actual movement of the character, we're going to put go to x equals 0, y equals 0. So right there. If we wanted him to move to negative 45 at y, he'd move there. This is all supposed to be under the green flag clicked block. Now, what I like about Scratch most is that you can animate without using costumes. So, gliding, for example. Let's do 50, 50. So he's going to say, hello, Zfruit, I've been expecting you, or whatever your username is. Then I'll glide up there. Just like that, it worked. Now another thing is, if he's on an edge, he can bounce. But we're not going to be using that block. We're going to be using set rotation style left or right. Now, you're probably wondering what does this mean? In motion, you're going to want to point in direction 90. Perfect. Alright. If we wanted him to turn, you see it doesn't seem to be working, right? Eventually, it'll start to work. 90. Let's flip him. Like that. Now if we try that again, let's test. It didn't work. So, 90 plus 90 is... Well, if you didn't want to do the math, Scratch does it for you. Just like that. Now, I know some of you probably just like doing the math in your head and stuff. You don't have to do that. That's just something that I like to do sometimes. Now, if I wanted to make him say something, like a question, we can make him ask a question. So, your name is... We're going to use another join block again. So, your name is your username. We're actually going to change that and put it in there. Where do you come from? But we have to put a space in front here because if we didn't, then it would look like this. So we can just put a space there. So your name is Zefruit, where do you come from? And then, now, we're going to make him say this. You come from... Oh no, I put an E there. We can just put that like that. And put that there. And hello Zefruit, I've been expecting you. He moves up. So your name is Zefruit. Where do you come from? I'll just say, for example, I come from the moon. You come from the moon. Now you're probably wondering why that didn't work. You have to put a space there too. Also, forgot to put a little thingy there. Thingy. Hello, Zephyr. I've been expecting you. So, your name is Zephyr. Where do you come from? I'll just type things. It says it. Now, if we wanted it to wait before talking, we could go down here and set it to 0.5 before talking again. Then we can make him say, cool. Hello, Zephyr. I've been expecting you. So your name is Zephyr. Where do you come from? I come from the moon. Cool. As you can see, he waited a little bit before talking again. What if you wanted to add voice lines to this, but you're too nervous to actually make it your own voice, and you didn't have enough friends to add voice lines? You can go down here and add extensions. Text to speech.
Hello.
As you can see, that works. So language to English, set voice to alto. Tenor.
Hello.
French. I actually like that. I didn't know you could change the language. Now, let's see. If we didn't want any... If we wanted someone to... if they wanted to have, like, something that would speak when the characters are speaking, we could do that. TTS. Like that, TTS. Now, we could change this if we wanted to, but for now it's just going to be TTS. Alright. So, when we click the sprite, it will broadcast voices. Alright. So, when we receive voices, what I want it to do is I want it to start all over. But then there's the high chance of this mixing in between with that. So, clean up. It'll do that, right? But also, we need to do something to make it so it texts to speech. So this is going to be a text to speech down here. Speak. Well, we want it to be these first. And then speak. That was. Then we're going to add that. Okay, so now that we added that, we can make the rest do that as well. So if I wanted A, it works. So now speak. Then it's going to ask. Now, if we didn't want him to say anything while I was going on, well, just like that. Again, after that, nothing happens. But if I wanted to, I could do this. It said the answer. Then we're gonna add that. Then cool. Alright, so now let's test. It mixes with the other scripts. So if we wanted to make it so it wouldn't do that, other scripts in Sprite. So stop other scripts in Sprite and let's test. So he's gonna do that. Actually, that is not my name. It's Blank the Zebra. I just made this when I actually went by Zfright. Alright. I'll just do Mom, because that's popular again. You come from her mom? Cool. Your mom. Spelling mistake. That's so stupid. Why did that get popular again? That bothers me. Okay, well, that's how you make this. But one more thing. When green flag clicked, show. When the sprite clicked, hide. But it's kind of hard to click, as you can see. You can't click in between there. But I have an idea. Since the background's white, we can make the button like that. So now I can click the edge. I come from my mom. Wait. Okay. And there you have it. That's how you make your very own project with some advanced coding. Also, you probably learned how to clean up blocks. which is very important because when modding things and updating things, it's easier to find things than everything just being jumbled up in one big pile. So, this is going to be in the description if you want to use it for anything. And goodbye. Hope you have fun with this tutorial. See ya.